If you've come across channels like 10x Income or the Digital Income Project, chances are you've noticed their eye-catching avatars. It's intriguing how our minds are naturally drawn to the unusual. However, beyond mere curiosity, there's a deeper strategy at play here. It's about brand building. These channels have effectively differentiated themselves from the sea of faceless YouTube accounts, establishing recognizable identities in the process. In this video, I'll be unraveling the secrets behind their success, and the magic lies in the realm of artificial intelligence. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, we'll need to generate images. While there are numerous AI image generators available, my recommendation is Leonardo AI. Not only is it free, but it also grants commercial usage rights, a valuable asset for content creators. Once you're logged in, choosing the right model is crucial. I suggest opting for the Leonardo Diffusion Cell for optimal results. Now let's talk dimensions. Depending on your intended platform, selecting the appropriate aspect ratio is key. For Instagram, stick to the 1:1 ratio, while for YouTube, go for the 16:9 ratio. This ensures your visuals are optimized for the respective platform's viewing experiences. Next comes the prompt, a fundamental component in generating compelling images. I've prepared a prompt that you're welcome to use, or you can craft your own. Simply hit the Generate button and watch as the AI works its magic. Upon initial output, you'll likely find the results promising. However, if they don't quite hit the mark, fear not. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to iterate. Simply click Generate again for a fresh batch of variations. Experiment with different prompts and styles until you find the perfect fit for your brand. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, it's time to hit that download button and make these images your own. So buckle up as we embark on this journey of unleashing the power of AI to elevate your brand presence on YouTube and beyond. And now the download is complete. Let's explore further. If you're looking to create multiple variations of your image, simply click on the image prompt and upload the recently downloaded image. Once uploaded, maintain the style strength at around 50% and click Generate once more. As you can see, it has now generated 4 different variations of the same image. However, upon comparison with our inspiration avatars, our image appears somewhat lacking. To inject more interest, we'll turn to Adobe Firefly. Navigate to Adobe Firefly and select the Generator Full option. Upload your image and designate the areas you wish to modify. For instance, I'll replace this section with a cup of coffee. After typing in cup of coffee and hitting generate, voila, we now have a cup of coffee in the designated area. Similarly, for the eyes, adjust the brush size and input eyes to generate 3 different variations. Once satisfied with your adjustments, hit download. However, there's a caveat: the downloaded image comes with a watermark. To remedy this, head over to CapCut and select the Magic Eraser tool. Upload your image, paint over the watermark, and hit Apply Eraser. Problem solved. After navigating through this process, the next step is upscaling our image. For this task, I'm utilizing a free ST diffusion-based image upscaler. Simply visit the provided URL, upload your image, and hit the Run button. And there you have it, a refined and upscaled image ready to captivate your audience. Now that we have the upscaled version of our image, go ahead and hit the Download button. The next step involves animating our character, and there are 2 methods to accomplish this, with the second being entirely free. For the first method, navigate to ArtFlow and select Video Studio from the left side menu. Click on Create Video and then choose the Upload option to upload your image. The software will then begin detecting the face automatically. Next, you'll need to provide a voiceover. You can either type in your script or upload an existing audio file. Alternatively, you can opt for a generated voice. Once you're done, hit Export and Animate. Now let's delve into the free option available at app.artflow.ai. Simply click on Generate Talking Heads and then select Upload Your Own Photo. After uploading your image, proceed to the next step. Here, select Upload Your Own Audio to add your desired audio file. Move to the next tab and choose Default Avatar, then hit Generate Talking Heads. Voila! You now have the animated results.
If you've come across channels like 10x Income or the Digital Income Project, chances are you've noticed their eye-catching avatars. It's intriguing how our minds are naturally drawn to the unusual.
While these channels are garnering millions of views with such generated videos, it's worth noting the prominent watermark. To remove it, simply search for Media, IO Watermark Remover. Now, select the first link and proceed to drop your file into the designated area. Then simply paint over the watermark area and click Remove Object. Witness the magic as the watermark disappears, leaving you with a clean, watermark-free video. And just like that, you've successfully created your own talking avatar in just a few simple steps.